how to make nature videos using Sora AI. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for sora.com and make sure you are logged in with a premium account and not the free one. Now, in order to make a nature video using Sora AI, you can use this particular prompt. So firstly, enter the environment, followed by the lighting and the motion of the prompt, and then add the subject if you have any, and then mention the style and the duration along with the aspect ratio of the prompt. So, for instance, my prompt will be a 10-second cinematic video of fog rolling through a pine forest at dawn. Sunbeams break through the trees. Birds fly between branches. It is shot in 1080p and is a 16:9 ratio, and it has ultra-realistic nature documentary style. So now talking about the element here, the fog is the element where the prompt is used as rolling slowly through the trees. The next element is water, which says gentle waves crashing on rocks. My next element was wind, which shows leaves rustling in the nature breeze. My next element would be wildfire, where I say birds soaring in the formation. And the other element was light, where it is shown as soft golden light through mist. So as you can see, I have used various elements with different prompt language and not the straight up language. You can also add camera turns such as a drone shot over valley or slow pan across the tree tops. You can then go ahead and set the duration and the format. Set the duration to 10 to 20 seconds and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Shorts or Instagram Reels. You can set your resolution to 1080p if you have the Pro version of ChatGPT 4.0. So basically the gist here is to use various elements such as the environment, the lighting, the motion, and the subject along with the style, duration, and aspect ratio in your prompt in order to create a nature video. Now tap on the send button and with this your prompt generation will begin. The generation time might vary depending on the size, the resolution, and the aspect ratio of the video you have prompted to. So, this is how you can make nature videos using Sora AI. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.